Hello, this video is for Action Game Kit with the RPG, and it's in general about how to prepare my kit with a different player character controller. Lots of people ask me about, for example, a third player controller or some top-down player controller, because you want to have it my kit in different style of uh, controlling character. Well, it's a I don't have a simple solution for this because you need to change some scripts, and in this moment I don't support, my kit doesn't support to easy switch for that controller. Problem is in one file where you can find the calling that my first person controller as a, that so first of all I will show you how it works, and then I will try to explain what can you do using that using your character controller. Okay, so this is main menu where you have player, prefab, where player, the game object with the 4 attached scripts: weaponry, player launcher, FPS character motor, and FPS mouse look. So the last two are for controlling. So it's this FPS character motor is for moving character based on some input. So it's that motor that's giving you crouch, prone, and other moving, jumping. So this is that area that is for this usage. FPS mouse look is obviously for using mouse to look around. So if you want to start with your character controller, you will think that you will just remove these two scripts and add your, but it's the only part of problem, because of course it's not will work and you will have lots of exceptions when you will run it. Also there is on main camera is also second mouse look, so you have to change this too. So what you have to do is not only to remove these 3 files, these 2 on player and 1 on main camera, but also you have to change one script that is calling and using these 2 files. Well, the mouse look is used on several places, but it's important that to understand that there is some connection. So important file that is using these, one of the most important file that is using these scripts is a player controller. There is a in player controller is well placed required component FPS character motor. So it's one really necessary script for running my my kit. So when you will remove these 2 files, you will just these 2 scripts, you will just receive lots of errors. So as you can see, there is a private variable that is using that motor as a this private variable that is a type of character motor. And there is one important part that you can that you are using some input, vertical and horizontal, for vertical speed and horizontal speed. So it's for moving. So you will need to replace these files, not files, these lines of code to calling proper your motor. What you have, I don't know if you have third person controller or top down, anything, but you have to change these files. Also there is a jump command. Of course you can have the your script, your kit without jump, so it will be easy to just comment this and it's done. So this is working. And also there is a mouse look, there is a crouch. So if you don't have crouch and prone, so you have to comment it again. And sorry, and there is a So this is for moving, and now you have to find where is used FPS mouse look. So you can just find all references, and you can see that it's mainly used in player script and weaponry. Weaponry is used for recoil, as for recoil effect that is moved camera little bit up. So it's if just you will just comment that usage of FPS mouse look in the weaponry, and it will be it will ignore the recoil effect. So what is important is in player script, because when you are opening some menu, for example inventory, the mouse look is for that time freezed, and you can't move with the cursor to manipulate with the inventory. So these two parts you have to change if you want to have using some your style of controller. Hope that in future I will write a better way how to improve it, that I will prepare some interface that you have to implement, but still it will need some scripting knowledge of you, because it's not so easy, and I cannot support, for example, several different character controller system, because each of you wants to have two different style, and I cannot prepare for everybody's special character system, so it's impossible. And if you realize it's not so much change what you have to do, it's few lines here as using the motor character system, getting component, defining some variable, and in the player it's on this. One point that can be troubled also after replacing the player controller system is how the items will be activated. As right now they are raycasting. You are raycasting the item that is in front of you in the middle of the camera, because you are looking from your eyes. So this ray must be replaced as a forward, so something like that, as a forward direction from your character. So it will be physics raycast and origin transform position transform forward. So instead of this physics raycast, you will have something like that, because you will this will be for example third person controller or top down controller, because you will it's important will be what your character can see, not what you can see from your camera. Of course, there is a problem that if you want to have, for example, controller style like Diablo, where is point and click, you have to redefine how this operation that you will, for example, raycast what is beneath mouse cursor. So you have to determine the screen position. So it's on you how you will try to modify it. But it's as I said, it's easy to understand. It's easy to prepare all ways to do, but the everything is located in two files what you have to change for your character controller. So thanks for watching. That's all for different character controller styles.